two majestic predators, one dark as night, the other pure as snow. Who's the true jungle king? The Black Panther, stealthy, powerful, the master of ambush. Its dark coat blends perfectly in dense forests. The White Panther, rare, fierce, and striking. Built for snow-covered terrains, it's a symbol of mystery and might. In a mythical showdown, claws flash, growls roar, the battle begins. Speed versus strategy, ice versus shadow. Who wins? Comment your champion, black or white. Subscribe for more wild battles on Wild Versus. Your next animal showdown is just a click away.